Now that we have the soundboard installed, it's time to do the side bracing. These are little strips of wood that will go on the sides and provide more structural rigidity. So I'll start by cutting out the blueprint and then aligning it correctly with some spring clamps, and then I'll be drawing out the center line of each side brace where they go. After that, just measure your side bracings, cut them to length, and glue them on. Now that the side bracing is installed, we can start bracing the back. Before transcribing the bracing pattern over from the blueprint, find out which side of the back piece of wood you'd like to be the presentation side. And this is going to be the outside of the guitar, and so choose the side that looks prettiest. You'll notice the back bracing has a much more severe radius to it compared to the top, about 5 degrees. So make sure you glue the radius part down. This will give the back of the guitar a nice little belly contour. Here I've made this sort of jig, just a straight piece of wood with cutouts for the bracing. This way we can align the spine bracing of the back perfectly center to each other. Alright, the back bracing is installed and glued in now. A lot easier than the top, less pieces to deal with. And now we get to shape the back bracing similar as we did the top. And we want to start with a sharp chisel here. For all of these back bracing pieces, we're going to want to chisel them down to 1/100th of an inch. And also we're going to scallop the edges to relieve some weight as well. Now I'm starting to fit the back to the guitar, and similar to the top, we're going to find the center line, make sure the entire body length is 20 3/8 inches, and then we're going to draw out the notches that we need to make in the kerfing to accommodate all the bracing.